Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumped, hitting my targets. BNB pumped, hitting the take profit. That trade is good. Ethereum pumped, hitting the take profit as well, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Watch how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum and trade daily. You can learn all this in the crypto master course. Join 6,500 students. The link is down below. If you watch my channel for 2.5 years, you know I traveled the world making videos from my phone, doing trades from my phone, making money, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars from my phone, which is beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin had a big pump out, and I just want to show this in the Telegram group. Look how many people made money on these calls. So these are my trades. The last, earlier today, we had Bitcoin, my targets for Bitcoin, which was here. And now you can see that Bitcoin is pumped exactly out of that place, which is beautiful. Let's zoom out so you can see it more clearly. So that was our trade target, this one. And Bitcoin has pumped from there, which is beautiful. And it's still in effect. The trade is still in effect. That was on the 15-minute time frame. And so you can see that it's moved from that point, that lower line up, which is beautiful. You can see this is some of the longs. BNB hit the take profit Bitcoin trade. This is the target for Ethereum, which hit the take profit. Ethereum having a huge pump, BNB around $300, and students making crazy gains, 980%, 443%, 816%. This guy, 816, 430, 92%. Many people making trades, and this student 55%. Huge gains. No one can call it like the man James. What a guy! 300%, 389%. Amazing. Congratulations, everyone. Now let's check. So on the 4-hourly, I still think that everything that we said in the last video is still a go. RSI heading up, buying volume. So the main thing that I'm seeing that's very, very important is now whenever we have a pump in Bitcoin, we have a lot of buying volume. So what that mean? What's that? Okay. As I teach in the Crypto Master Course, these bars down below, these volume bars, they indicate a 4-hour period. Each bar indicates 1 4-hour period. And you can see that these, when they're green, it means there's been more buying than selling during that 4-hour period of each of these bars. So the more volume, the more buying and selling has been happening in that 4-hour period. And you can see volume spike when the price ran up for Bitcoin. You can see when the price dropped down, the volume dropped down. So that means there's not a lot of people selling into the drops anymore. It's more people are buying. Every time we're having a pump, the pump is happening with increased volume on the buying. That's the first time that's happened since November 11th. We had a bit of a pump in April, but going back to the end of April till now, it's just been dropping, and the volume on the drops was bigger. But now you can see there, the volume down here was bigger on this drop. And you can see here, the volume down here was bigger on this drop. But now you can see that the volume is starting to spike when we move up. So Bitcoin is actually changing direction. Now, what I think is going to happen is we're going to 22,839, like I said. That's my target, this channel. And if we can break above it, retest and bounce, then we could have a big movement for Bitcoin up to this point here, 30,000. And then at that point, we can see that this trend line this is the moment for the trend line. And you can see that Bitcoin going back till November, when I called the day of the top on November, has been trending down this trend line. So if Bitcoin pumps, it can come to 26,000 there, maybe 30,000, and then it can drop from there. So we really need it to actually move up here and break out. So what we need to see that not happen is break out, retest, come here, get rejected, break above, and then move up. And I think Bitcoin can actually do this. RSI is heading up, got more to go on the daily. Stochastic is heading up. This is just getting started. On the squeeze mob going to the green. On the weekly, Stochastic only beginning, RSI only beginning these runs. So this is very powerful right now. RSI and Stochastic on the 4-hourly heading up. There's a lot of bullish signs for Bitcoin. So the target is 22,839. That was the trade that I made in earlier today's video. If you haven't opened a trade, I would open it like this. This same setup trade like that, risk 2.4 ratio. So opening the trade at 21,311, stop loss at 20,699, take profit at 22,839, which is 2.47%. With 10x average, that'll be 70%. Risk to reward ratio means for every $1,000 you risk, you can get $2,470. But you don't need to use $1,000. You can use leverage. That's why I'm buying spot and derivatives. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video, in the description of the video down below, you can sign up to Bybit and start trading. That link down below in the description, the Bybit link. You get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. It's the third biggest exchange in the world. They have amazing, it's amazing software, and I use it for trading. So that link down in the description on your phone, you go down there, the Bybit partner. If you're using any other person's Bybit link, or if you signed up with Bybit before, not from my channel, make sure you create another Bybit account and move the funds to it using the link down below. Then you get that bonus. Make sure you're doing that. So let's jump back into the charts. So that's the Bitcoin target. And so once you sign up to Bybit in that description, you get this trading software. In here, I have $224,000, which has been pumping the account a lot recently, which is beautiful. I've got spot, I've got 103,000 USD to still deploy, USDT, and I've got 3.6 Bitcoin, $78,000 worth. And my Bitcoin long, I've got a 2.7 Bitcoin trade open. It's worth $53,000. I used $5,900 of actual cash with 9x leverage. It's a $53,000 trade, but with $5,900, I've made now $4,500. So my $6,000 is almost turned into $11,000 now, which is beautiful. That's the Bitcoin long open. Over on Binance, I also have I made $3,500 in this account today, 193,000 US dollars. $3,500 today is not bad. I've got 7 Bitcoin, $151,000 worth, and I've got 38,000 USDT in this account. I think I might, if Bitcoin... Now, what I will do is I'll add a lot more Bitcoin. If we get rejected, come here. The point to add a lot more Bitcoin, I'll close Bitcoin when it decides to reach up here. If it breaks out, retests, and heads up, then I will be buying a lot more Bitcoin. Then it's definitely in the bottom. So to know when we're in the very bottom for Bitcoin, we have to do this. We have to break out, retest, and bounce with volume of 22,000. If that happens, the bottom is in for Bitcoin. And we really did have the bottom, and then we go back to that previous video to see who guessed it right. But once that happens off that 22,000, we also have to get, so once this channel here breaks, if we can break above 22, bounce, we have this big resistance at 29,000. And then to really turn very bullish, we need to break above, retest with volume, and head up. And that means Bitcoin will be back into a bull trend. That's what we need to get into a bull trend. So we still have 2 big areas to get through. Bitcoin needs to get above 22,790, retest, bounce, above 26,000, retest, bounce, and then the bottom is definitely in for Bitcoin when those conditions are met. Again, trading using that Bybit link, the Bitcoin trade is up 4,500, my BNB trade closed 300 in the profits, and don't forget to join us in the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group, Crypto Guru Alerts, 2,800 members in here now, and you can see the trades. Look at the gains that everyone's making, 353% on long on Ethereum. This student, I can't see his name, 311% on BNB, which I called. Bitcoin, 389%. Think about that. That's in one day, guys. This is in one day. People, like the best investor in the world, make 7% a year. So just keep that in mind. 55% on Ethereum. Everyone just making 92% longing BNB. I call BNB perfectly. 816% on Ethereum. Crazy, huge leverage on that. Ethereum and on BNB, massive gains, which is beautiful. And you can see my calls actually on this. So this is the BNB trade. I go Ether, I want to kiss myself. Ethereum pumped. And this is where also I called it earlier today. So I said, this was in the morning today. Wow, I make a lot of videos. So in the morning I said, look how much the day passed. No, yet, was it this morning? Anyway, Bitcoin and BNB longs, 5:36 p.m. yesterday. Bitcoin and BNB longs. BNB I opened a long, and Bitcoin was 2,700 in profits. And then Bitcoin and BNB both pumped, and Ethereum pumped. Bitcoin and BNB longs were in the profits massively. Then we had that huge pump and massive gains, which is beautiful. Join us in that Telegram group. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful night. Hit the subscribe button. Join 76,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. Join us in the Telegram group. Use Bybit link down below. Sign up using that link and start trading on Bybit and learn how to do this from my phone. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.